I am using a non-slip bowl, but you can use any bowl, just make sure it's big enough to mix in and try to put it on a non-slip surface. You'll need 4 ingredients: plain flour, some baby oil, food colouring, any colour you like, I'm using red and blue, and a cup of water. Add the cup of water to the bowl, then add some baby oil into the water, then choose the colour you would like your Play-Doh to be, and squeeze the food colouring into the water. Mix it about with your hand so the water turns your colour. Then put some flour into the liquid. The next part's going to get really messy, so you can do it with your bare hands or you can choose to wear gloves. Start mixing all of the stuff together in the bowl. It starts to change to the colour you want it to be. This is a bit too sticky, so I'm going to add some more flour. And you keep mixing and mixing together. This is still too sticky, so I'm going to put some more flour into the bowl. You keep mixing and mixing until all the flour in the bowl has gone. If you have smaller hands, you could rip it into smaller pieces and mix it like that, and then put it back all in one big ball. What colour Play-Doh can you see? Well done! Green, pink, blue and red. Thank you for watching.